in the performance. So it's specified, the nature of the statements. So a little bit of research, malalaman mo na which statements were these, because this
Point
refers
of order,
to...
Mr. President. Point of order.
What is the point of order?
The statements of Senator Pangilinan, the nature of his statements. Kayo na mag-research kung ano statements na yun, Mr. President. Sabi niya, pwede daw yun eh.
Mr. President,
I-research na lang daw natin.
I'm not yet done.
No, that's why I
Philippine
gave you,
officials,
Mr. President,
including
that's why
members,
I gave a point of
members
order.
of the Senate. May I just be... I am still
It's a
speaking,
point of order, Mr. President. A point of order precedes your precedence.
Mr. President,
Maybe Mr. President, maybe ask the minority floor leader to state the point of order. Which part of the rules was
Mr. President.
which part of the rules was
Wala.
violated?
I'm making a point, Mr. President, that you cannot make a motion and then say, i-research mo na lang yung laman. Sabi kasi niya, pwede mo daw ipasa to, tapos nandyan naman yung nature. Ano ngang statement?
Mr. President,
So in the
this is a
same manner,
debate.
Mr. President, I
Where is-
admit
where is the point
my
of order?
motion, may I finish?
Where is the point
my
of order,
motion
Mr.
for
Where is the point of
our
order?
Session is
motion.
suspended.
Hindi namin kailangan rest back ng Senate, especially kung tama kami. But what we're asking sa resolution to is rest back ng buong Senado, which I'll go to the other point because hindi tayo magkasundo dyan. So tingin nyo tama, bahala kayo. Because may mga anak kayo, may mga apo, tayong lahat. Dadating tayo dyan. Pwede mo ba sabihin sa anak mo, anak, pag mali sila, gumawa ka na rin ng mali. Anak, okay lang mang bastos kasi mas bastos sila eh. Anak, okay lang mag-bully kasi mas bully sila. Ako, hindi ko sasabihin yon. Ako, sasabihin ko, hindi, yun ang sinasabi mo, Mr. President, and I'm
No,
not yet
Mr.
finished.
President. Of
Kasi
course
you said, tama
We
si
beg to
Tariela.
disagree,
Mr.
Mr.
President, I'm not yet finished, no?
Yeah, we beg to
So, Mr.
disagree.
President, this is the question. The resolution question statement. Sabi dito, whereas, in response to the public statements of the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, etc., etc., walang naka-attach kung anong statements nila. So, paano tayo magdidebate dito? That's why, mahaba to eh. Mga pang 3 araw to, inisa-isa ko yung statements. Pinapakuha ko sa staff. Nagsumula lang ako kay Tariela because tinitingnan ko statements ni Senator Risa. I think that's within her right. She's been consistent with some of her... I may agree or disagree, but yun ang statement niya. I've been looking at the statement of the gentleman from Pampanga. You're a senator, you're a patriot. But yung kay Tariela, nakita ko kaagad eh. Tama yung iba niyang mga statements, pero mali yung ginawa niya na ganyan ang gagawin mo. Kasi pag ginawa kay President Bongbong yon, regardless kung opposition ako administrasyon, pagtatanggol ko siya. Dahil mali eh. Ang mali is mali. Hindi pwedeng mali sila, mali na rin tayo, tama sila, tama tayo. May tama tayo niyan. So Mr. President, this is the question. How will we discuss and vote on this? Kung wala naman dito yung statements na kine-question natin. So will the gentleman attach these questions and furnish the members of this chamber? I don't think we ever passed a resolution. This is just 30 seconds, tapos na ako. On this point, we've never passed a resolution condemning anything without specifying what we're condemning. So, pwede bang sabihin, hindi ko gusto yung sinabi ni Senator Marcoleta sa CA. Hindi po, I saw the statement of Senator Lacson, I saw the other statements. Specify nila kung ano sinabi niya. Nakita ko statement ni Senator Marcoleta, clarify niya. At least malinaw. Eto parang carte blanche na lang. Lahat ng sabihin ng Chinese ambassador, mali. Paano kung sinabi niya, good morning? Paano kung sinabi niya, ni hao? Good morning. Kinokondem natin yon. Bawal na mag-good morning sa Pilipinas. You might say it's obvious na hindi yun ang kinokondem. There's no such thing as obvious. The records of the Senate will bear this resolution and the discussions in this August Hall. But anyone can add and subtract if it's general. So which statements are we talking about so that we in the minority, in the opposition, can be able to debate? That's why I started out today by simply saying, pagdating sa South China Sea, sa West Philippine Sea, nagkakaisa tayo, magkakasama tayo. Atin ito, ipaglaban natin to. Pero pagdating sa bastusan, out kami dyan. Kasi yung tama is tama, mali is mali. So ang question po ngayon, what will we do, gentleman from the esteemed Senator, gentleman from Pampanga and the author, will you supply us or will we annex or add whereases so that we will see ano ba tong statements na to?
Mr. President, I think the whereases are clear. Just a little bit of research on the part of the researchers will confirm what we are referring to. We don't need to annex all of them, Mr. President. For example, in response to the public statements of the Embassy of the People's Republic of China that opposed and criticized these positions and questioned the propriety of Philippine officials expressing such views in the performance. So it's specified, the nature of the statements. So a little bit of research, malalaman mo na which statements were these, because this
Point
refers
of order,
to...
Mr. President. Point of order.
What is the point of order?
The statements of Senator Pangilinan, the nature of his statements. Kayo na mag-research kung ano statements na yun, Mr. President. Sabi niya, pwede daw yun eh.
Mr. President,
I-research na lang daw
I'm
natin.
not yet done.
No, that's why I
Philippine
gave
officials,
Mr. President,
including
that's why I gave a point of
members
order.
of the Senate. May I just be, I am still
It's a
speaking,
point of order, Mr.
President.
President. A point of order precedes your precedence.
Mr. President,
Maybe Mr. President, maybe ask the minority floor leader to state the point of order, which part of the rules was,
Sige, Mr. President.
which part of the rules was
Wala.
violated?
I'm making a point, Mr. President, that you cannot make a motion and then say, i-research mo na lang yung laman. Sabi kasi niya, pwede mo daw ipasa to, tapos nandyan naman yung nature. Ano ngang statement?
Mr. President,
So in the
this is a
same manner,
debate.
Mr. President, I
Where
admit,
where is the point
my
of order?
motion, may I finish?
Where is the point
My
of order,
motion
Mr.
for...
Where is the point of
our
order?
Session
motion.
suspended.
Sir President, to be fair to Senate President Pro Temp and to the gentleman from Pampanga, I was going to say I'm out of order in my move in moving for a point of order because you cannot have a point of order without stating
Why?
why. Where is the what's the basis so that the presiding officer can determine whether it's in order or out of order. At hindi naman ako parating out of order, Mr. President, di ba? So I was just trying to explain to my good friend, Senator Pangilinan, we both believe in what we're fighting for, moral ascendancy. So if we pass the resolution in its general form without saying the statements, if there are officials, again, Mr. President, ulitin ko I'm not against Commodore Tariela. For all I know, he did 1,000 good things. Pero yung isa na naka-uniforme siya na may caricature, uncalled for, undiplomatic, hindi official yon. So I would rather, Mr. President, that we make it clear that we cannot vote on a resolution condemning statements, even if you say the nature of the statements without knowing the statement. Last point, Mr. President, the majority leader wanted to clarify, mali ata rinig niya. Ang sabi ko, in the 19th Congress, kaya unanimous yung mga resolution, kasi klaro kung ano kinokondem yung water cannon, yung claims about territory, etc. And then yung reply ng Chinese embassy was, how do I put, kung baga, parang patas, Mr. President, na Pero dito kasi, Mr. President, simple lang po, no? Kung si President Bongbong kinarikature ng general ng China, pababalikin ko talaga yung ambassador natin pag hindi siya umangal. And pag sinabi nilang official yon, magbabago relationship natin. Pag sinabing unofficial, ibang usapan. So I understand the gentleman from Pampanga, he's talking about the statements of Senator Risa himself and the Chinese embassy. Mr. President, we're preparing for LEDAC tomorrow. We're preparing for the Blue Ribbon Report. I will support Senator Pangilinan's agricultural EDCOM style of agriculture. So we cannot take judicial notice, Mr. President. Even in the court, the gentleman from Pampanga said take judicial notice. What that means in court is that hindi mo
Mr. President, I did not
nasusundin
say-
yung...
Yes. Point of order. I did not say judicial
Okay.
notice, Mr. President. I don't know where that came
I
from.
stand corrected, Mr. President. But he said obvious dahil sa nature. Hindi pwedeng ang obvious, Mr. President, because the resolution in its four corners should contain what we are condemning. No? If it's not there, it will be a bad precedent. So may I appeal to the gentleman from Pampanga, lagyan natin nung kung ano yung statements. We don't
Maybe-
have to put all.
We will accede, Mr. President. I will now read a number of statements from the official website and account of the Chinese embassy. in
Wait,
Manila.
hold on, Your Honors. If you will be reading it into the records, are you going to put it as an amendment?
No,
If
Mr.
you
President,
are,
just for the information of the because instead of attaching it, Mr. President, we will just place it on record so that that will suffice in terms of being able to
for
provide
reference. All
for
right,
reference, Mr.
all right,
President.
let's do it that
Mr.
way.
President, just for comfortability, I'd rather it be an annex or an amendment. Kasi pag binasa lang dito, Mr. President, mahirap Kailangan pagka binunot natin sa bills. Mr. President, it's an appeal. I'm not saying I'm totally correct, but if you look at future resolutions, we want to be able to get the resolution and be able to judge it in its four corners.
Mr.
Hindi yung
President.
bubuksan mo pa yung record. So if we're condemning something, so for example, Mr. President, babalik ta rin ko I'm congratulating the Chinese ambassador. Baka naman i-congratulate ko siya na something na laban. Kahit ilagay ko doon,